It's hard to describe how we feel when traveling to unknown places. In our daily lives, we tend to be confronted with many expectations. But here, halfway across the globe, there is only place for accepting whatever comes your way.
In any culture, any place where you go, if you respect and if you have friendships with the people, then you enjoy more. So that's very natural.
So it turns out we are suffering from a landslide. It could take between an hour to 12 hours to clean up.
Everything, it's so beautiful, it's so colorful, it's so unique in so many ways. I have never seen a place like this.
You see that, man? You see that?
Au niveau sentiment, ça n'a rien à voir par rapport au début de l'arrivée, même au Népal. Là, on est vraiment dans la culture Sherpa. On est à l'intérieur de ce qui se fait dans un pèlerinage magnifique.
It's moments and views like these that make you really appreciate life. And the fact that all of us should really strive to travel and see the world so that you can experience these few precious moments that really make you think, life is good, friends are good. It's moments like these that really make you feel that you are alive and that you really need to leave your comfort zone to come and see and experience the great things life has to offer.
That's good.